because it has been over a year. We have engaged professionally, tried to follow the proper channels, tried to follow the proper methods, tried to keep this out of the public. But now we've decided to move to court because, and to also talk to the public because people must begin to respect the creators of this country. This is the big corporations, the small, the SMEs, everybody must begin to respect the creators of this country. So this move is one taken with the acceptance that the industry we work in, including the media, is also heavily funded through sponsorships by EABL. However, that does not mean that because of that we cower away in fear, because injustice is injustice. And therefore, I just ask all other creatives as well to take note of such bold steps that we are taking, and to also encourage themselves that if you're also out there and you're going through the same thing, to take the necessary steps. The court exists to protect, and therefore take the necessary steps as well, so that we form a country where respect for creatives remains paramount. It cannot be that there are policy issues only when it is time to pay a creative. Vendors should not suffer when it is now time to pay a creative, especially when there are systematic failures. So I will confine my comments to that, but to say once again and to reiterate that this move is for the creators of this country, and that I hope that, as I have done before, I will continue to stand and fight for creatives